What do you say?
Getting her back together, trying to get her timed. It's got a lot of advance on it right now, but that's where it likes it. It's got about 20 degrees at least advance on that timing, but listen to it. It sounds all right. It's starting to look like an Impala now.
Yeah.
So still to do on this car is we're going to have to change out the front springs again.
Sits way too high.
It sits way too high.
We're up in the nosebleeds here.
It also is messing up the camber on it. You can't get the camber set because the springs are too tall. They're oversized. They're too tall. They're taller than stock. I meant for them to be shorter than stock, and instead they're taller than stock. So it kicks the wheels out like that and screws up the. You can't
Align it.
You can't align it. Yeah, and I'm trying not to have to put in offset control arms on it.
Yeah.
But if I have to, I will. The interior, the upholstery and all that, I can't. Ciudadela out of Arizona. Their quality, it's really good stuff. So I put it all back in there, but like I said, it was a fight. It was a fight. I'm not an upholsterer, but I had to figure it out.
Mm-hmm. Interior looks really good.
Yeah, it does. So I still got to put the sound system in and so on. I got the speakers in, but I don't have the.
What do you have for a stereo?
It's an auto sound.
Retro sound.
Retro sound, yeah, right.
Bluetooth.
Yeah, all that. I also ordered up some seat belts for it and also some custom front floor mats for it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, vinyl ones.
Open that door. That carpet looks so good. Yeah, you did a good job on that.
Yeah. That's nerve-wracking work right there. That.
Carpet.
Well, yeah, because if you mess it up, it ruins the whole thing. You know,
Yeah.
Like, and when you ruin the whole thing, you're just out about a couple $100.
Yeah.
So, when you're working with expensive materials, you got to be careful, and so I was.